Hey everybody, it's Rick. Welcome back to my channel. From time to time I do product reviews. This is a product review. You never know what I'm going to come up with, so stay tuned. And throughout the video, there's a subscribe down on the bottom there on the right hand side. I'd appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, a like. It lets YouTube know you like our videos, and they'll rank us higher in their rating so that our videos are more widely shown. Let's get to it. All right, so if you've been following my channel, that I'm in transition right now. We have a modern farmhouse being built, and this is something we have like a common type of garden area, and we started some garden plants just to get them started. And I need something that's automatic timer that's going to go ahead and water my garden, because I can't keep getting down there early in the morning because it's kind of hot down here in the south, and you want to get your plants watered in the morning. So I looked up this. It's just a cheap little timer. Got this from Walmart. I guess you can get it from some other places, maybe Amazon. Later on I'll try to put some links in there. So this is called the Daybreak Timer. Orbit is a manufacturer, and it's the Pro Contractor grade. 2 ways to water. Now, to be honest with you, I don't really know. I haven't even seen any reviews on this. I just bought it as a whim. Like I said, just to try to maybe get me going here. You're talking $20, $25 versus some of these can go up to $100 and can be, set up with your cell phone. I don't want to go through all that. I just need something simple just to get me through, and hopefully this is going to work for us. Let me give you a close up here, and that's what it looks like there. And we'll flip it around. Says how it works. Daybreak. Select Daybreak to automatically water at sunrise. Set time. Select the time to water at a specific time. Once set, it will continue to water at that same time. It has a photo cell. Uses sunlight to start watering cycle. Light sensor is green during watering. Red when battery is low. Water every day at a set time. Water every other day at a set time. Water every other day at sunrise. Water every day at sunrise. And that's what I'm basically going to do. We're set up to a common system, with water, and I have my hose buried there, and I'm just going to head and put that on there with my sprinkler system, and I think that's going to work out for us. But also it says requires 2 AA 1.5 alkaline batteries. Now I'm going to try some rechargeables, so I'll be the guinea pig to figure out whether that works or not, and I'll put some in there. So you've got to look at these lights here, I guess, and it'll let you know whether the batteries are good or bad according to this. So it's pretty simple. It's got a strainer there on that side, on the hose side, in case you get any sediment. And then your discharge side of the hose that goes to your sprinkler will be right there. It's got male thread there, and it's got female thread right there. Let's go ahead and unpack this bad boy and see if there's anything else to it. Okay, I've gone ahead and extricated that bad boy from that shrink wrap package. What a crazy thing that is, right? So I don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to go ahead and recap it real quick for you. It says using the Daybreak side, choose to water every day or every 2 days in 5, 15, 30, or 60-minute increments. Once this side is selected, a timer will automatically turn on at sunrise. This will help you water during the most optimal time of the day to water. There's a helpful hint. Watering at sunrise helps avoid creating an environment susceptible to fungus and bacteria and reduces water waste as a result from evaporation. That's what we're going to do. Using the set time side, choose to water every day or every 2 days in 5, 15, 30, or 60-minute increments. The timer will note the exact time at which you set it and will water at this time until you change the timer settings by turning the water at the same time until you change the timer setting by turning the dial. Choose this side to select your preferred watering time. Example, if you set your timer at 7:08 in the morning a.m. to water every day, then your water will turn on at 7:08 a.m. each morning going forward. Using the on and off feature will reset the timer, and you will need to rotate the dial back to Daybreak or set time to start automatic watering. Again, Daybreak will water as normal, set time will water at the new set time. Choose on to manually water at the faucet, choose off to stop using the timer. Now, I think that's fairly self-explanatory, but I'm hoping I cleared it up a little bit. There is a little dot right here at the top, and that of course is going to be your indicator of where you're going to rotate this dial to. So there is an off and an on. So I imagine to just manually go ahead and use your hose. You can just put it on there, and then that's going to go ahead and give you water, like you want to wash your hands off, or I don't know, wash your car, depending on whatever it is you need to use your hose for. If you're not, if you want to bypass the timer settings. And then there's your Daybreak on this side, of course, where it's got a sunny little picture there. And then you got your nighttime there for the nighttime setting. Looks like the battery department is right here. here. Probably going to have to hold that in and pull forward like this. Little clips on the side. And I'm right. There it is. So the batteries are pretty self-explanatory the way they go in. Plus minus, and then slide it back in and it'll click. Just be careful because everything's plastic here. You don't want to break those clips off. Let me go ahead and install those batteries. We'll go out to the garden and we'll see what happens. Okay, so here we are at the garden. I've gone ahead and installed the timer, and we have the everyday up there and the night setting there like I explained earlier. And usually I'll set it to 60. This is real easy to screw on here. You just tighten it in a clockwise position over top of your threads here, which means it's going to go that way. Turn on your valve and you're ready to go. Now, to just go ahead and put it on, you probably saw the indicator there flashing, so every time you turn it, it flashes. Put it on, and wait and listen for it. You heard that? That means it activated, it's on. It's not on any setting right now. You can actually turn it off if you want to. And now you can see my sprinkler going. My garden's looking kind of crazy right now. We kind of been in the middle of some other things with getting our house set up, so you have to bear with me on that. But it works, and I'm actually happy with it. It's been a while now, I guess about 30 days that I've actually had this on, and I've tried it out, so I'm not just throwing a video together for you. I've actually come back 30 days now to let you know how it works and its function. And I'm actually happy with it. I mean, for the price, you can't beat it. It's like $20–$25, and all you gotta do is just regulate your flow accordingly. So that's it, and thanks for watching. Take care and please stay healthy.